Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiza Sheikh and you are watching the Faiza's learning class. Today I am going to discuss the new topic preposition of the movement. As you know that previous topic में हम preposition of place, preposition of time को discuss कर चुके हैं. But here I am going to discuss the new topic, new thing, preposition of movement. As you know, preposition is the linking words. Link show the between the nouns and the pronoun and phrases to other words in the sentence. But sometimes preposition show the word and relationship in its sentences. So preposition basically usually indicate the temporal, spatial or logical relationship of its object to the rest of the sentences. So here I am going to discuss the different and many types of the preposition of the movement that is very important for all of those students. They are going to appear in the different academic subjects. So firstly, here I am going to discuss the what is the definition of the preposition of the movement. Preposition of the movement are used to show movement from one place to another. They are most often used with the verbs or motion and are found after the verbs. That is very important thing. Here you can concentrate. Preposition of movement जो होता है means के used होता है with verb के साथ और motion and are found होता है after the verbs. That is important thing. So here I am going to discuss the many examples, many preposition. They are belong and concerned with the movement. So let's move another page and discuss the different kinds of the movement of preposition. Here is pick and that is showing the all of them. They are concerning with the preposition of the movement with the pictures. You can take the concept and you can think about it and can the understood across, around, away from, down, into, off, onto, out, over, past, through, toward, under, up. There are 14 main important preposition of the movement with the pictures. So one by one we are going to discuss here. यूज़ ऑफ आउट ऑफ एंड ऑन टू. हमें यहाँ पे यूज़ करना है ऑफ, आउट ऑफ एंड ऑन टू का. तो फर्स्टली डिस्कस करते हैं आउट ऑफ. आउट ऑफ गो फ्रॉम इनसाइड स्पेस टू आउटसाइड आ स्पेस. If you can't stand the heat, you should get out of the kitchen. Off use for away from. We get off at the next station. On to use to show movement into or on a particular place. Means something is going onto the room. Means के onto means के something is in the movement. So here use of out of, off and on to. So let's move and discuss another. Use of overthrow and towards. Over, pass above something. He jumped over the wall. Throw, show movement from one side of an enclosed space to the other side. David walked slowly through the woods, through the works, through the trees, towards in the direction of or closer to the something or something. Someone or something. The cat is creeping silently towards the bird. That is the example of the towards. So let's move another page and discuss further preposition of the movement. Use of along, around, around and into. Along, move or log towards the end. We went for a walk along the beach at twilight. Around round go along its edge is circular direction. Her hair wiped around her face in the wind. Into use go from outside a space to inside a space. Don't put new wine into old bottles. These are the examples of the use of along, around and onto. So let's move and discuss another page that is also very important preposition of the moment. Use of from, to, from and across to show movement in a specific direction. He will travel to New York this summer holiday. From used to show the place where someone or something starts. What time does the flight from Am- Amsterdam's arrive? Across show movement from one side to the opposite side. Use of to, from and across. These are also preposition of the moment. So let's move and discuss another page that is very important. Use of up and down. Up indicate movement from a lower to higher position. She doesn't like riding her bike up this hill. Down used for indicate movement from a higher to a lower position. It's easier to run down the hill than go up. So how we can use up and down? That is also the preposition of the moment. Basically, these are very